Right, so we are here at Carter Road in Mumbai's Bandra, where the street is decking up to celebrate New Year's Eve. These decorations have been up since the past week, as the entire stretch of Carter Road celebrates Christmas to New Year the entire week. And now, this is the final day of celebration, which is New Year's Eve, and there have been some stalls that are set up. There's also, the giant Christmas tree in the back, and this is not the only area that is obviously celebrating New Year's Eve in the city. There are other pockets such as Nesco in Goregaon, Kamla Mills in Lower Parel, even the Fort area in South Bombay, which are hubs of restaurants where we'll see the peak of festivities as far as the New Year's evening goes. In fact, to aid the celebrations, even the public transport in the city has been stepped up. The Aqua line of the Mumbai Metro is going to stay operational through the night, and there are additional trains on the Western and the Central Railway lines also that are going to be run later in the night when people go out and celebrate New Year's Eve. In addition to all of this, we are seeing a lot of events that are now on these online ticketing platforms, all such as Book My Show. You've got District, even Swiggy Scenes, where restaurants are holding special evenings with unlimited food. There's beverages, music, and more. So many such events have been announced by the restaurants and are getting booked online, and all of this points to people stepping out of their homes to celebrate, people even staying in, as we've seen on the online food delivery platforms rolling out special offers for New Year's evening, and even quick commerce platforms for that matter. However, if you're planning on staying in, there might be some trouble because the gig workers have announced a strike today, which may lead to some disruptions in pockets of metro cities where these gig workers may go on strike. But other than that, we are seeing the festive fervor high in the streets here in Carter Road in Bandra.